Get your thoughts on this whole idea, because the clock is ticking to December the 5th. That's only about a week or, what is it? A week or so away. This EU embargo on Russian oil, as well as, in addition, the G7 cap on the price of Russian oil. A lot of debate about where that level should be. What are your thoughts? I mean, theoretically, it's supposed to sort of cut Vladimir Putin off at the knees, but it all depends on the price level.
Well, so clearly, Europe has already reduced quite a lot oil imports into the market, and so on one side, the embargo on oil itself, shouldn't have major impact in terms of how oil is going to flow. Obviously, it might have impact in terms of how oil products and diesel in particular might react, and so on the other side, the cap itself. It's still quite unclear. Obviously, oil is sold at a big discount already into some of the Asian markets, and understanding whether that proposed cap is going to be possibly lower than that might certainly have consequences. So at the moment, it's still quite unclear exactly what the effect will be. But again, a lot of the trade away from Europe, to some extent, has already happened. So that should insulate somehow the implication on the oil market.
Massimo, 65, 70, even 75, it's a non-starter, isn't it? Because when you look at Urals and the discounting, then Chinese and the Indian buyers, they can buy it at that level or thereabouts anyway. So what's the point of this particular level? And what would be the right level?
Well, it's hard to say the right, what's the right level, but you're right. I mean, those level of discounts are certainly in line with, the discounts that are already happening into the market. To some extent, it's a no news, similar to the things that are happening in the gas markets, right? And the kind of price cap that Europe has been imposing or wants to impose into the gas market, at 2,075 euros per megawatt hour. It's a price that similarly to the discount to oil, it's something that doesn't seem, as it is placed, going to be having any effect whatsoever if the price is so high.
Then is